If you succeed to actualize even a few of the 10 strategies covered in this video, you will be able to stretch your cash further and set your business up for success. Starting and running a business on a tight budget can be challenging, but with creativity and resourcefulness, you will not only survive, but thrive during lean times. Welcome to Study of Wealth. Number 1. Strategic advertising. One of the first pieces of advice is to avoid unnecessary spending on advertising, especially in the early stages. Instead, focus on building a strong network and relying on referrals. Cold emailing campaigns to a targeted list and utilizing your network can lead to a high conversion rate without the hefty cost of traditional advertising. How does this help? When you start your business, advertising expenses can quickly drain your funds. By prioritizing referrals and leveraging your network, you tap into a cost-effective way to generate leads. Cold emailing, when done strategically to a selective list, enhances your chances of a high conversion rate. This targeted approach often proves more fruitful than untargeted paid ads, especially in the initial stages of your business. Number 2. Prioritize market fit. Before investing in advertising, prioritize refining your product or service to align perfectly with your target market. Thoroughly test your product offering until your ideal customers are not just interested, but compelled to buy from you. Achieving product and market fit is crucial before allocating funds to marketing efforts. How does this help? Investing time and money in perfecting your product or service is a critical step. Product and market fit ensures that your offering resonates with your target audience. It involves testing and refining until potential customers are not just interested, but feel compelled to make a purchase. This strategic approach sets the foundation for successful marketing endeavors and long-term customer satisfaction. Number 3. Visibility through free promotions. Gain exposure without spending on advertising by leveraging creative methods. Consider product demonstrations, press releases, and seeking opportunities on television or the internet. These strategies can significantly expand your reach without denting your budget. How does this help? Free promotions can be powerful tools for gaining visibility. Conducting product demonstrations at stores or any accessible venues, sending out press releases, and actively seeking opportunities on television or the internet can expose your business to a wider audience. These methods, often cost-free, can have a lasting impact on brand awareness and customer engagement. Number 4. Tough money talks. Navigating financial conversations with clients or vendors can be uncomfortable. Create a professional persona, like Mary, to handle these interactions. Having a tough and assertive persona can help ensure that invoices are not overlooked and overdue payments are followed up promptly. How does this help? Money talks can be challenging, especially when dealing with clients or vendors. Creating a professional persona, such as Mary, allows you to approach these conversations with confidence. Mary, the assertive persona, ensures that invoices are handled promptly, reducing the discomfort associated with financial discussions. This approach maintains professionalism and strengthens your business relationships. Number 5. Embrace frugality. Adopting a frugal mindset and lifestyle is crucial for entrepreneurial success. Cut non-essential costs, be selective with personal spending, and commit to a frugal lifestyle. This approach will free up more income to invest in your business. How does this help? Embracing frugality involves making conscious decisions about your spending habits. Cutting non-essential costs, being selective with personal spending, and committing to a frugal lifestyle can significantly impact your financial health. By making these tough choices, you create opportunities to allocate more funds towards essential aspects of your business, ultimately contributing to its growth. Number 6. Find free or low-cost tools. Audit your business expenses and explore free or more affordable alternatives for tools and services. Utilize free open-source options and take advantage of the free tiers of paid tools. Learning to manage with these tools in the early stages can save substantial funds. How does this help? Conducting a thorough audit of your business expenses is the first step in finding cost-effective solutions. Explore free open-source options and take advantage of free tiers offered by paid tools. In the early stages, a good spreadsheet can often meet most of your needs. This approach allows you to manage your business efficiently without compromising on essential tools. Number 7. Learn to DIY. Embrace a do-it-yourself approach for tasks like building websites, designing logos, and shooting videos. Learning these skills through online tutorials allows you to save money and keep your business running at a low cost. How does this help? Developing a do-it-yourself mindset empowers you to handle various tasks without outsourcing. Building websites, designing logos, and even shooting videos can be learned through free online tutorials. By acquiring these skills, you not only save money, but also gain more control over the creative aspects of your business, fostering a sense of ownership. Number 8. Harness the power of social media. Establish a presence on social media platforms such as Instagram to market your business for free. Engage with potential customers, share curated images, and build a community around your brand. Social media offers invaluable opportunities for free marketing and immediate audience feedback. How does this help? Social media platforms provide a cost-effective way to market your business. Establishing an Instagram account, for example, allows you to connect with potential customers for free. Engage your audience with curated images that reflect your brand's future offerings. Building a community around your brand on social media can create a loyal customer base and provide real-time feedback on your products or services. Number 9. Become an industry expert. Position yourself as an industry expert by consistently providing valuable content through blogs, podcasts, YouTube channels, and social platforms. Sharing knowledge for free builds credibility and expands your reach, giving your business a much-needed early boost. How does this help? Becoming an industry expert involves consistently delivering valuable content to your audience. Whether through blogs, podcasts, YouTube channels, or social platforms, sharing your expertise positions you as a trusted source. This not only builds credibility, but also expands your reach, attracting more attention to your business. Consider how you can share your expertise to build an audience as a recognized expert in your field. Number 10. Patience and discipline. Success during lean times requires patience and disciplined spending. Set revenue goals before making major purchases and wait until your incoming revenue justifies them. Exercise fiscal restraint, avoid impulse buying, and carefully evaluate each purchase's potential return on investment. How does this help? Patience and discipline are crucial in navigating the challenges of entrepreneurship. Before making significant purchases, set clear revenue goals for your company. Wait until your incoming revenue justifies these expenditures. Adopting a rule to buy something only if you can afford to purchase it twice ensures that each investment contributes positively to your business. By exercising fiscal restraint and avoiding impulse buying, you create a sustainable and financially sound foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. Subscribe for more.